scale SOLIDWORKS. View part model, change scroller mouse. Rotating the increase or decrease. Increase and decrease. In the draw document, adding kind of model, you can set the scale. Use a custom scale, some or another. And OK. Right click to call the drop down menu and select edit sheet format. In the scale field, double click left mouse button change scale. If you want to change the actual size of the model, for this use the scale command on the panel filters. If such is the case, adding customizing. Activate the command. For that, on the field, click right mouse button and from drop down menu select command customize. From the tab command, from the filter, select scale and hold and drag left mouse button, drag to the field. Activate the command and set scale parameter.